Virginia Ham Fest. Second one of the weekend. Come and enjoy. I wanted to see how much a 40-meter ham stand is. Question for you.
Yeah.
You're here from Chambersburg.
Yes, sir.
How much is the 40-meter ham stand?
Hi, Rod. $24.
24? Do you got a lot of them or just a couple?
Couple.
Just a couple? Okay.
The little bands are about only a couple of these. A lot of 20s.
A lot of 20s, yeah. It's normally the band to go. Okay, I will be back.
All right.
Thank you. That's what you need underneath the dash, the Anderson bolt. Okay, that's what we need right there. That's exactly what we need. How much is that? It doesn't even say. $100. Holy shit.
VHF computer, $100.
Oh, it wasn't always there, they would.
Yeah.
No much good. Yeah, that's what I was kind of hoping for. So, I mean, he had good stuff, though. I hate knowing prices. I hate knowing prices. Here you go. That's that right there. No, not that one. That right there. That's what you need for your truck.
Instead of the front, it's just too tall.
Good. That's why I was surprised MFJ didn't do any of theirs.
I just got it, so I don't even know how to do it. Do you want to receive an email?
Go with that. But what I'm interested in is these barrel nuts.
Just send it, I guess. You had to review it. Okay, no, wait, I got to bag this stuff. Yeah, these new gadgets are nice. I don't use it often enough to
I don't even hope for it. They're just gonna go.
Looking for our prize winners. Mike, Alpha Echo 4 Romeo. Chip Norman from Winchester.
People I get my coax from, I took them a sample of ladder line 10 years ago. They still can't, they still either won't do it or can't do ladder line. I don't know why.
Yeah, my G5 RV out at the beach house took a lightning jet, right?
$40. That's not a bad price.
The wire just, came out of the insulation for many feet. And blew out the center insulator.
I've been talking to them about it for 10 years and they still can't do it, or still won't do it.
I got a 100-foot roll of that black paracord.
Okay.
All right, thanks, sir.
Thanks a lot.
How much is on your blue laser pointer?
All right, these are 12 with the gift pack. Okay. Rich, try it. Sit down in it and try it.
Get back up.
I'll help you get back up. Find somebody to goose you from the back.
You said they were 12?
They're 12.
Okay.
Right. These are blues. I think I got one green one back here. The gift box is 12. I have them somewhere around here. I had ones that were not in the gift box. They were only 10. Okay. And then I got these here, the 301s. Okay. These are 200 milliwatts. Okay. They're 20.
Okay.
And I got one waters down here too.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Yep.
I wish I still had the one that they used for exposing film at the post. It was a 5 milliwatt. No, it was more than that. I don't know the size.
Yeah. The trouble that I've talked to about a couple of people about, I was going to unmod my 706 to do 60 meters. And the guy said, nah, I wouldn't do that because
My body hurts all of a sudden.
$5 a piece.
50 gigabytes. This 5 is
There's a guy over there that has a C engine in it.
How much you got on your meter? I don't see it. 900?
Fresh battery, the display's been repaired with a lifetime guarantee.
All right.
The one that you just picked up here and this one in particular are dash cams. So they're designed to turn on when the power supply, record until the car stops, and then they take a few minutes or so before they turn off. And the one you're holding that has a dash cam mode, it just you can use it as an action cam or a drive cam. What do you think? Can you do one? You want the one that's already put together?
Yes.
All right.
70-centimeter beam.
I'm about sick of looking at beans.
Good. I'll try to get the brace on it, but you don't miss it.
I'll just put it on this one. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, these should be nicely modifiable. Like this one should be modifiable.
I had the volume way down.
But like perfectly flat.
I know that's what I
Yeah. One of the greatest things I can
I mean, this would, if you could turn it in that, because it's only 11 feet.
So the turning ratio, it'll turn, 7 feet on each side. You have to
So now I put like memory devices.
What kind of price you got on this?
What's that?
What kind of price you got?
One at 270. It's got the hand charger programming.
He had that down at well, no, that was
150. Is that a vertical?
Excuse me?
Oh, you're okay. That was my fault.
crap. No, we should brought your truck.
The only thing, they're so noisy. That's what I have up. Because I'm in a townhouse, I can't put up this. So the vertical's just way too noisy. That's what I hate. I wish I could. Yeah.
If it's $150 for a whole setup just like that.
That rotary worth.
That's right.
75. The antenna's probably about another $200.
I don't know if we could fit that.
Almost all packed out. I don't think we got finished.
That's why I was like, shit, I wish we brought your truck down.
I'd find a way to do it.
You saw the fleet. I have to do some changes with the boxes though because
Network crash.
Noise canceling signal enhancer. See that? $50.
You're ham too, right? You're doing on 6 meters. Okay.
It's going to be.
Chili sauce is $1, so yeah, I'm gonna go cheeseburger. Oh, monster roast and shit.
They got fried pickles too.
I'll pass on that one.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yeah, can I get a large Coke and an ice cream?
No ice. What can I get? Just gotta calm down.
I'll go with the Sprite.
Yeah, I got Sprite. Falling off.
Make it large size, just a little bit of ice. Actually, I'm gonna go with orange instead.
You want orange?
You orange.
And a large, you orange.
Large, a little bit of ice.
Yeah, and I'll toss in this one too, in case you want to build one. There you go. That's mine.
Oh, that's yours? Okay, I'm sorry.
That's his. He's pretty possessive of that thing.
I don't blame
And
him.
he'll hit you with those batteries if you don't knock it off. And if you think you're hurting now, you ain't seen nothing till you've been hit with a bag of.
So I'm a second.
You're 30. You're 30 short.
Okay.
Another prize winner, Andre WA3 Papa Yankee Kilo Whiskey Alpha 3 Papa Yankee
changing
Kilo.
now. There he is.
Andre, please come to the prize booth. Still looking for Mike Alpha Lima 4 Romeo.
Finals are bad in it.
And Jeff.
Okay.
Yeah, $75. The microphone and the faceplate.
It keeps sliding over.
What?
Your book keeps sliding over.
Give me back my $10 and change.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
KFC 40.
There's one thing I don't mess with is money here. Reputation is everything in this business. Yeah, those.
I thought that was in one of these.
No, over here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think it was.
Junk case.
That's what the sign says.
Junk case. That's the first. Here we go. It's $1 each. So how do you know which is $1 and which is?
This is a reminder for the Word Pan Luncheon, the famous Word Pan Hot Luncheon. We'll be out at the Word Pan building. We're looking for prize winners. Kilo 3.
Question for you. You got 50 cents to $1 each.
Yeah.
Kilo
How much?
3 Sierra Yankee Delta and Kilo Bravo 3 Victor Zulu Foxtrot. Please come to the prize table.
Are These 50 or?
Yeah, these are $1. These are 50. And these.
All right. Tell you what. Would you do 4 of those for 2?
Not really. No, they're worth $1 a piece.
Okay.
See Joel down there. He charged like $2 1/4.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. How about 3 for 2?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you care which ones? Or?
No, don't matter.
Thank you. Yep. What I'm thinking. Spot them from a mile away.
Yeah, it's almost got to be.
That was a real man's radio. I'm gonna look. That's expensive.
Now, if I can call Tom and buy
I'm not even getting hopes up with that one.
Hi, Reed. I'm doing good. You?
Is it 175 for the set of drinks?
Pardon?
Is it 175 for the set?
475.
Oh, 475. Okay. That's what I was wondering.
Mic, power supply, the transceiver, and the VFO, and the speaker.
That's beautiful. Okay.
And it all works. Got brand new finals in it, and the power supply is the AC4R, which everything has been modified for the WB4HFN. The guy who does all the repair work.
Yeah.
And all the capacitors are all in the new electrolytics.
Very nice.